Dear friends, today we are joined by Narendra who will share his experience of getting selected in Cognizant. He will also talk on his Sutherland placement experience. Narendra is a farmer's son and a native of a small village, Nalla Chervapalle. He's a very smart chap. We have done so many discussions with candidates sharing their experience, but this is one of the most unique and entertaining discussion. Narendra has shared his unique ways of getting selected in an MNC, and he has told us very honestly about them. So please watch the complete video for hearing this inspiring journey of getting selected. Please bear on the video quality since he is connecting from his village.
Welcome Narendra to Career Swami. Thanks for giving us your time for discussing your experience with Cognizant. So Narendra, let's start with your brief introduction.
Okay, my name is Ramireddy Narendra Reddy, son of Ramireddy Rashtragar Reddy. I am from basically Kadapa, Andhra Pradesh. I am also studying in Kadapa in the College of Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology in the stream of Mechanical Engineering. Okay, actually my father is a farmer. Basically, I am from very basic remote village. Now I want to leave the mark and contribute to the best of the society. Now I'm pursuing my final year in mechanical engineering. Yeah, I'm selected to Cognizant recently, February 1st. I wrote exam in AMCAT and selected to the Cognizant. My name, I am the rural background.
Okay, thanks Narendra for providing details about yourself and a
Yes.
big congratulations for you being selected in Cognizant. Narendra, please take us through the process. As you said that you got selected through MCAT. So, in
Yes.
uh, in which year or in which semester you gave the MCAT exam, or how you came to know about the Cognizant opening?
Yes, sir. Actually, I given in 4-1, sir, in October of 2019 in AMCAT exam. Again, they are conducted AMCAT exam. They have recruitment. They need a manpower. Already selected candidates also came mails also. 1 month before also my friends also wrote exam in AMCAT. Same procedure, same LPA, and also same role also.
How you came to know about that there are openings for freshers in Cognizant?
Through my TPO, sir, college placement officer.
Okay, so then what you did? Where did you apply?
In my college, sir. I also wrote exam in also my college. Okay, sir. Aptitude and reasoning and communication also automata.
So that
C
exam,
language.
was from Cognizant or was from your college?
Cognizant, sir. I mean, the exam is wrote in anywhere, sir, but we write it in our college, sir. No, personally in through webcam.
Is that the MCATS one which you are referring to?
Yes, yes, sir.
Naren, please share your experience on the MCAT exam. Like, what was the pattern? How many questions were there? What were the question areas? What was the duration?
Oh, okay, sir. I did not remember the exact duration, sir. Firstly, they mentioned one thing: aptitude, logical reasoning, communication skills, and automata, sir. In aptitude is there is 20 questions, I think, sir.
Okay.
Uh, in 20 questions, no, first question is about 1 mark, sir. When we correct the first question, and second question is 2 marks. When we also correct the second question, third question is 3 marks,
Okay.
and also fourth question 4 marks. When we file in fifth question,
Okay.
the 1, 2, 3, 4 marks are recorded. Fifth question is cancelled, and again sixth question 1 mark, 2 marks. Like that, the pattern is there, sir. And also reasoning also same, sir. Communication skills, English also same pattern, sir. In automata, there are six programs is there, sir. First program carried 10 marks, second 20, third 30. When we filed in fourth, again 50, 10, like that, sir.
So, in aptitude questions were from which area? Profit loss, percentage, do you remember?
Yes, yes, sir. Profit loss also, percentages and distances also. Like figures also they given, sir. I did not remember the names of the questions and where they come also. Uh, I read and get blindly from that.
And how about logical reasoning?
Logical reasoning also, actually, previous 10 days we are practiced in MCAT, sir. From previous question papers also from through my TPO. TCS questions also we practiced. So not like all questions are became, sir. Something related questions are came, sir.
Okay, so what exactly was asked in the communication skills part?
Yes, they given one paragraph and down there are some questions also, sir, from that paragraph.
Okay, so there was a write up from which there were questions asked about the write up.
Yes, yes, sir. Also, sir, something questions asked, sir, about fill in the blanks also, sir.
Do you recall the programs which were there? I mean, you said six programs were there. Do you recall what programs were there?
So it's the basics of C, sir. Like ascending, descending. Also, they asked. I don't know, sir, how many programs are executed, but all the programs are compiled and done, sir. I think two programs are executed, sir. I think it's easy, sir. We practiced it before. Some two programs are came in exams, sir.
So, what was the language? C or Java?
C, sir. C language.
Okay, so one was in ascending and descending. Do you recall any other program? What exactly logic was asked to be written?
Greater than, less than asked, sir. In that logic, we removed greater than and place less than, sir. I remember that program also, sir.
Okay, and was that program compiled as well, or you just wrote the program, or the output was also supposed to be shared?
No, no, sir. We did not write all full program, sir. Just small logic is there, sir. Just one line logic is there.
Okay,
I read that, sir.
one line logic is there.
Sir, actually, I don't know about CSR. Basically, I'm mechanical engineering student.
Hmm.
So I think I was cleared through aptitude reasoning perfectly. I don't know C language now also. Just I know basics of C.
So, what happened after that?
After the MCAT exam completed, they sent to my TPO some selected lists, sir. Also
Okay,
mailed them, sir. First phase, in some students are selected. I am selected in second phase, sir, in February 1st. I mean, once the exam is completed, they mail to them, sir, who got selected. You are shortlisted for next round of cognizant interview. I think so. In that mail, we have to confirm the interview, sir. We interested to interview. After that, the interview is going on in Manatha Tech Park, sir. We selected in Tirupati region, sir. Became Tirupati region, under the Tirupati region people. 2,000 members are came to interview, sir, but 211 members are selected.
how many members?
211, 211.
Okay,
Okay, sir. Once we entered the interview, they told me, sir, the mechanical students are not recruited, so we hopeless, sir, and entered into interview also hopeless and like no fear is there, sir. We forget the interview, sir. Just like this is also my first interview, sir, but we entered hopeless and some shining also,
so
sir.
it was in Manyata Tech Park, Bangalore, is it?
Yes, sir.
When you reached the venue, how it all started? So you submitted your resume, or there was a specific person over there who was there to receive?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I submitted resume and I downloaded a hall ticket from mail, sir.
Okay.
In that hall ticket, we paste our my photo and sign on. Okay. We submitted one copy of my certificates and they revoked my certificates to me. And after that, they carry my hall ticket and my resume, copy of hall ticket. And firstly, technical round is entered, sir. In technical round, there is no difficult, sir, in Cognizant. Just I don't know also English also because of I'm Telugu medium student in 10th class up to. So I don't know about interviews, sir. But my friend's suggestions yeah, I wrote 20 questions, sir. Like tell me about yourself, why would hire you, and also what are your strengths and weaknesses. how to remove your stress, like that 20 questions are right, and answers also right, sir. What are the vocabulary to deliver, understood anything they are asked, sir. One thing I am first is, sir, I am able to learn within a shortest span of time. In every question I mentioned that word, sir. Within a shortest span of time, I'm able to learn new technologies, like blah blah blah. I tell to them, sir. In technical round, firstly, what are we mentioned in resume, blindly by heart that resume, sir. There is no nothing from apart from that, they also ask for the freshers. There is no need to ask, and also I am from mechanical background, so they don't need to ask C language or something. So they don't ask for C language Java, sir. They asked only for from my core, okay, mechanical core. Firstly, they are telling me about yourself. I tell, sir, whatever I by hearted my GitHub, for my name, my father name, my 10th standard percentage, my diploma, which college, which branch, and BTech percentage, BTech college, BTech branch, and also from my family background, like my father is a farmer, my mother is a housewife, and also I am also mentioned this line in the tell me about yourself also, sir. I am the kind of person who are able to learn new technologies, new things within a short span of time. I think the line is secured for anyone, sir. So, and also my hobbies are mentioned, sir. Mainly go through hobbies, sir. Whatever you mentioned your hobbies, okay. Uh, no blindly mug it up, sir.
So,
Only first thing, tell me about yourself. After that, whatever you mentioned your project, also they are asked, sir. Tell me about yourself, project, hobbies, sir. Enough. There is no asked them also. They don't know, sir. What are the questions asked? After that, they asked about my hobbies, sir. In a hobbies, I mentioned the hobbies are also my hobbies, sir. I copied my friend resume, and also the hobbies also I wrote the answers. What when they are asked about hobbies, what I have to tell. In that I mentioned in free time I want to do farming. It is more benefit for me, sir, because I know about everything about farming because my father is a farmer. I am also farmer from my kid. I tell to them, sir. Yes, sir. I know about everything about farming, but I don't want to do farming. But I want to leave the mark. Also, something I tell, sir. In that time, what I remember, and also another hobby is making aircrafts with waste materials. I think it's not my hobby, my friend hobby, and also write the answer of that hobby, how you make aircrafts with waste materials. Okay, in that hobby we have to mention some creative things, sir. I think
okay,
they try to
so
ask on your hobbies. In a hobbies, I mentioned not like only aircrafts, sir. I try to make aircrafts, but with waste papers, I do some lorries and we fix motor and battery to them and run it and give to some kids just for fun. I tell to them, sir, and also writing creative stories. And finally, mm, I watch cricket mostly, and they're also about cricket. Also, they asked me what the player you have to know, who is your best cricketer. Also, mainly
so
hobbies mug it up, sir. Tell me about yourself, mug it up. What our project mentioned, at least project interface and you have to mug it up, sir.
so
There
in
is no nothing of.
so in technical round, what did they ask you to explain your project? I mean,
Yes, yes, sir.
they focused more on the project side of it.
Yes, yes, sir. What you have to done, and also they they mainly concentrated on your flow, sir. Basically, now I talking to you, friendly, sir. Uh, I don't know English. What I came to my mind, I tell to you, sir. But in that interview, I prepared two, three papers, sir. What is the vocabulary delivered? What are the words? How to deliver English? Because I don't know English, sir. I pure in Telugu, but I have to tell English. What kind of persons are selected mostly, sir? The person who are talking more like strongly, actively. The person, whatever the question is asked, they try to answer it, whether the question is right or wrong. Question is right or wrong, they try to answer it. Like those kind of students, I think may selected, sir. In that interview also, most active persons, and also the interviewer came to our situation, sir. I mean, yeah, in HR round also, interviewer is the madam, sir. Uh, they came to our surroundings, sir. I mean, they are able to know about ourselves, sir. They are interesting to know about the person, the student. You understand my English, sir?
Yes, it's fine.
Yes,
You
yes.
should not be saying
Okay,
that
sir.
you don't know English.
In technical
It's
round, firstly, your marks are going on about tell me about yourself, sir. Be strongly prepared. Tell me about yourself, sir. Something tells 99% no chances to ask. Tell me about yourself. But in freshers, there is no questions are asked to students. Mainly tell me about yourself, and after that, whatever your hobbies are mentioned, be prepare about hobbies and project. It's okay enough, sir.
so post
Because
after that, was there any HR round?
yes, yes, sir. HR round is there, sir.
So how HR round went?
In HR round also, I think in HR round there is no subject questions they are asked, sir, and also they are also asked to tell me about yourself, sir.
Okay.
What is I am telling in a technical round and also no, told in HR round also, sir.
Hmm.
One in technical round also they are also asked about hobbies, sir.
Okay.
In the HR round, I maintain farming hobby about 3 to 4 minutes, sir. Okay, sir. I think the madam is not from south, so she is interesting about farming. I tell to them. And also she asked me, sir, you are attending any other interviews? Yes, I tell to them, sir.
Hmm.
I attending TCS interview, but I did not attend the TCS interview. But I tell to them TCS interview I attended. Why did you not selected to the TCS interview? Just I tell to them, sir. Like madam, in TCS interview, the interviewer is like a stranger, and I feel uncomfortable and stay. All the
Hmm.
interviews are not like you, madam. Like I impressed the HR interviewers. Try to in that way also, sir. Is there possible in interviews? It is benefit for in interviews, sir.
Okay.
Actually, I did not attend the TCS interview also.
Okay.
And also, farming is more benefit for me, sir. What are I prepared the one paper for farming, sir. But I know farming. What are the vocabulary I have to tell in farming?
Hmm.
And also making aircrafts with waste materials. I prepared very well about hobbies, sir. And after that, they are asked some business requirement questions, sir. Are you ready to relocate in day shifts or night shifts? Okay, I am ready to relocate. And also, mm, you have to work everywhere in India. And also, they ask, sir, I tell to them, sir. In HR round, firstly, we have to maintain eye contact to the madam, sir. In technical round, no need, sir. In technical round, because of they asked about subject, okay. The subject knowledge is enough for technical round. In HR round, there is no questions are asked to us. Like there is no subject questions. What are questions are they asked? I don't know, sir. The eye contact is maintained and plain shirt we have to maintain, sir. Like there is no check shirt also. Plain shirt buttons. They need haircut, shaving also, sir. These are the benefit for us, sir.
Okay. Who told you all these things, Narendra?
My friends, sir.
Okay. Your friend seems to be
I
knowing
don't know anything, sir.
everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good to have such friends. So
Yes, yes.
during the HR round, they spoke about the package as well.
Yes, yes, sir. Also, they are asked about some things or what we have go to interview we have no minimum knowledge about the company, sir.
Hmm.
Just I searched in Google, sir, what is the Cognizant, okay, or who is the CEO of Cognizant, how many people are working in Cognizant. They asked to me, sir, why you are entering into Cognizant. Okay, I tell to them Cognizant is giving more priority to the freshers and they give more salaries to the freshers also. The madam is laughing, sir, in that answer. Uh, and also, why you choose mechanical engineering? Okay, I think I tell to them, sir, I don't know about IT branches, madam. I don't know about software also up to 2020. In 2019, I don't know about software. But after I write exam in AMCAT, I know about something these packages are give from software engineering like. So she asked me, sir, when I was not given to you job, what you have to do? Okay, the answer is given, sir. Perfect answer, sir. When I am not selected in Cognizant, I basically I'm poor, madam. Uh, I do one mechanical job also in nights. In night times, so I enter into the institute and learn like software courses, and again enter into cognizant, not cognizant, software field. I can't confident about myself. I tell to them, sir. Do you
Okay.
understand, sir?
I very well understand. So what was the package offered to you, Narendra?
4 LPA, sir.
How much?
4
Four.
LPA.
Four. Okay, fine. So Narendra,
Okay.
what would be your advice to the freshers who are aspiring to join Cognizant? How should they prepare?
Yes, sir. They must prepare about automata, sir. For freshers, I tell to freshers, they recruited through AMCAT mainly. So search in YouTube, sir. What are the questions you asked in AMCAT? So I think 50% questions are recall in AMCAT, sir. Automata, aptitude, reasoning, communication, everywhere, everyone do, sir, in that situation. So automata is tough for anyone. So it is easy for CSE students mostly, sir. Also try to improve C language, sir. Firstly, I think it is easy to crack the automata test, sir. After that interview, there is no, the people who are fluent in English, there is no problem, sir. But above below average students, I tell to them, sir, like me, just to prepare over like 3-4 pages. What are the answer questions and answers? Mug it up 50-60 times also. How to deliver vocabulary? Tell me about yourself, hobbies, what are you mentioned in project? At least you know about 90% about project. Like, sir, it is enough, sir. And also in Cognizant, they know about Cognizant, sir. Search in Google what are the population is there, where the Cognizant, when the Cognizant is started, where it is relocated, who is the CEO of Cognizant. mm, like something interested answers we have to tell them, sir. Like Cognizant is pay more salaries to the freshers and also give more priority to the freshers. Also they and also we have to tell them if there is a good environment is there. Like my brothers and my sisters are also working in Cognizant, they tell to me the good environment is there. The more salaries give, like, sir. In searching in Google, sir, or what are the questions they are asked, or like about companies, sir.
So
And
did
also
did Career Swami channel help you with the knowledge about
yes, sir,
Cognizant?
fine, sir, more help, sir.
Okay.
Oh, yes, sir. I followed you since 1 month, sir.
So Narendra, any other companies also came to your college?
Yes, sir. Sutherland is came to my college, sir.
So what was the
The
experience
past
with
20
Sutherland?
years. Uh, Sir, in Sutherland, firstly, there are two type of interviews are there, sir. One is they recruited through essay writing. In essay writing, and also group discussion also, sir. Firstly, I tell about essay writing, sir. I failed in essay writing, but I tell to them, sir. In essay writing, they give one story, sir. Like, mm, what is your most beautiful day in BTech career? Okay, I wrote about my Cognizant also, sir.
Okay.
I am selected to Cognizant. I write in that essay writing, sir. Firstly, what is the like aim, sir? What is your most beautiful day? Like heading, like also in back there is some logical conclusion also we need to mention, sir. In middle of essay writing, we have to mention some like creative things also, sir. Uh, what is that beautiful day in your career? I write about Cognizant, sir, because of I am backbench student, and the my friends and my staff also may get shocked, sir. How you are selected? Like they are like, sir, I mentioned I feel more happy in that situation. I wrote in that essay writing, sir. Like they mentioned essay writing, sir, and also in essay writing, it is more tough for anyone, sir. They don't, they, we don't know what they expect in essay writing exactly. Just to write blindly. I think this essay writing like this, that essay writing that like that. What is interviewer think about? We don't know, sir. We have to mention pure English, like some logical words. Some like in last one we have to mention logical conclusions, sir. I am like this, but I have done cracked cognizant interview. Oh, I don't believe about myself also. mm, one thing I tell to sir, whatever what kind of students they do hard work, they may get, sir. I mentioned that logical conclusion, sir, but it may fail, sir. I think they don't consider essay writing, sir. I think Sutherland is a two type of recruitment as there, sir. One is non-voice processing and typing also, sir. So in typing, they recruited may essay writing candidates, sir. In group discussion also, the sir is seated in middle, sir. 30 members are around him. In group discussion, I tell you, sir. Okay, they ask about firstly, tell me your name, your father name, your native place, your BTech, about your BTech branch, your percentage. Firstly, all the students are linely tell about that, sir. 30 members are told, and after that, I am also tell, sir, my name is so and so. My father name is, my father is a farmer. I completed my diploma. I am from this background, a mechanical background. Something I tell, sir. In that group discussion, uh, based on apart from 29 members, we have to tell differently. Okay, sir.
Okay.
After that, who are most active students in that group discussion, they may give again one chance to sir. They ask the question about every 30 members also. When you got a chance about anything change in India, what you have to do? Tell me about that. Something tell about politics and nature and study system like sir. I tell about traffic system, sir. Nowadays traffic system is very too bad. Not only traffic system, every human being when we need lift, sir. When we need lift, we stop one vehicle. The vehicle is empty. We have urgent work. They also don't stop, so be aware of such things. And also RTC buses also, there is no people in bus, they may chance to get in some people in bus, but the drivers are do not stop, sir. When we have urgent or what we have to do, sir. And also something train system also, sir. When we have go to Tirupati from Kadapa Iragundla, like is there one passenger express is there, sir. They mentioned one time, sir, but every day every time it be late about 3 to 4 hours, sir. Compulsory, sir. Today mentioned they 7, but they come for 10, 11 like that, sir. So they are the train systems also, they know. The train is come 11. So why they don't mention 11? Why they mention 9 also? So I know the train is compulsory late to 3 hours. When first time some guys are enter into train, when train is late, they are may suffer, sir. So yeah, I want to change the traffic systems, and also roads also. Be aware of helmet support, mainly about lift, sir. Lift buses also, government buses also empty, so they don't stop. The interviewer may don't interest about my topic, sir. So they neglect about in interviews, sir. First, we in group discussion, what we have to tell, just to frame the words in mind, recall 3 to 4 cents, what my chance came to, up to my chance, we have to frame the words in mind, sir. So don't tell blindly, and don't in face to face interview, one person and one person, we may tell fastly, sir. comparison to 30 students, we have slowly and purely we have to tell, sir. I think I tell fastly and something like I may ignore, sir.
Okay.
Like that, sir.
So once again, many congratulations to you, Narendra, on being selected in Cognizant,
Yeah.
and
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you for joining us and giving us your time for sharing your experience with a lot of aspiring students who are looking up to people like you for inspiration to be placed in good companies. Thanks a lot.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes. And I give one advice to poor people, sir. I mean, below average people. They don't know about English. Just maintain flow. What kind of people selected who are most actively? Like some people are more knowledge, like 90% knowledge in academics, something like coding also. So when they are not active, so they don't may selected. Who are most active, they don't know about everything. They may maintain eye contact and flow. They compulsory 90% they are selected, sir. Just maintain flow and English vocabulary, how to deliver. Just one thing, sir. In any interview, any question, we have to tell. I don't know now, sir, but I am able to learn within a short span of time. It is enough for interview, sir. I think. Yes.
Okay, Narendra, thanks for that last piece of advice, and once again,
Thank you so much,
best
sir.
of luck.